We are back at the National Railway Museum. Cue the intro. Welcome aboard, passengers. Mega Sim here. Yes, we're at the National Railway Museum in York. Had a job today. Well, it's tomorrow as well, but got out earlier than I thought today, so let's go and have a look around the National Railway Museum and see how it goes. But we're going to go to the place that was closed last time and take it from there. So yeah, we're in the Great Hall. There's the HST. See, look, GWR. And we're venturing down here because there was that bit that was closed that kind of gives us the ability to look over into York Station, or look at the tracks into York Station. So that's what we're going to do first. There's a couple of things going on here as well, outside as well, so hopefully that will still be open when we venture out. But I want to make sure I get this bit first before it closes. That's the thing, it's either going to be this bit round here or outside, you know, north shed. So we're going to go to the north shed. There's the class 52, not the 50. Oh, there I am knocking the north shed. That's the 52. I know I said 50 and then rectified it later on in my video. There's a 52. But yeah, let's go into the north shed and see what's going on in here. But I might stop the video very quickly, figure out what I'm doing and go from there. So yeah, look at this one. Look at that. It's just such good condition, or you know, it's been restored very well. Look at the paint on it. Love it. Now, what else are we going to see in the north shed today? Well, as you can see, you've got the Deltic. I know it's the Deltic. The night ferry. Oh, LNER buffet car. Oh, that'd be nice to sit in. The waiting room. Look at all these signs. Some amazing signs here. Look at this. Platform 4, 5. But yeah, we've got to get up high. Need to figure out and remember how to get up to the viewing point, if it still exists. So yeah, the balcony's closed. I thought we would have had the balcony. That's why people were sticking their heads out. Oh look, 9 3/4. Oh, there you go. Yeah. So we don't have the balcony. We can't go up there and have a look out. That's annoying. Look at all of this though. Look, Victoria Line. So much stuff here. I say stuff. I shouldn't be saying stuff, should I? Look at that, all the signal box stuff. Amazing. Look at that. Chair, C-Link. There's another one there. Oh, that's the wrong way round. Anyway. Looks like the DLR. Like a DLR model. Yeah, we want to go and have a look outside if we can. But yeah, there's so many things here. It's so difficult to kind of like have a look at all of that. You can just hear all the trains outside. Look at that. City, a model there. Look at all these carriages, look at that. Model railway. Yeah, I want to go outside, see if there's like any way that we can do that. Oh, underground. Yeah, they're looking out there. I can see a lot of steam going on out there, so it's probably something. Let's have a look. Let's go and have a look up here. Yeah, something's out there. Are they testing it? Are they using it? I don't know what it is. Can't see what it is. Something. So yeah, back in the Great Hall. Class 47. Little horse there as well, and the magnificent, the gorgeous looking Mallard. Look at that, the A4 class. The world's fastest steam train. Look at that. And plenty of other trains. We're going to have a look around. Coronation class here. But yeah, we're going to have a look around. Might be a little samey as before. So if you don't want to watch it, skip to the next video. But we're going to have a look at some of these trains, some of these carriages that are here in this lovely museum. Then we'll go to the carriage shed, go outside, see what's going on down there. But look at that Pullman. Look at that Pullman carriage, Topaz. Have you ever done a Pullman dining car? I have. Went to Bluebell Railway many, many years ago. Don't do it in the summer. Man, the carriages are hot. In the winter, the heating's on, it's gorgeous. In the summer, oh my goodness, it is horrible. There's the back of the HST. There's my clink of my keys. There's the Chinese steam train, not Japanese, Chinese. It's the Japanese Shinkansen Bullet, but it's the Chinese steam train. Class 31. I feel that looks newer than the 33. So why does the 33 look older than the 31? You let me know. Evening Star. One of the last steam trains ever built by BR. I see a lot of steam over there, so let's I hear a steam, I hear a whistle. Quick. What have we got? Oh wow. Is that the tornado? Look at that. Yeah, it's a tornado. The tornado is here. Oh. How do I get to have a good look at this? I want to see it. I want to go right up to it. What's it doing here? What's it doing here? Let's go look here. It's just going up and down. Is it planning to do something today? Look at that. Sorry about this. This is just dirty. Oh, I just missed it. Grand Central. Right, let's keep going around. I want to go out there. So what's the tornado doing here? Let me know in the comments. It's Thursday, the 4th of November. You'll probably figure it out and go, oh yeah, it was for this, but it's so weird that it's here. What we'll do is we'll go up the Shinkansen, up the Bullet. So I watched a little documentary on this, and they actually redid the whole upholstery, new seats, new curtains, new everything. It was really cool. And there's a way for this to twist or something. They showed it twisting. It was really weird. It was like a special lever, and it just went whoom, and it turned them. Love to see that. But yeah, these are, well, it was new. You know when you get a restored train and it's still old? That they did everything. Looks like there's going to be an event tonight, a corporate event. Look, you get a pin badge, you get a menu. Yeah, looks really cool. I'm in the carriage hall just in case, the station hall, but we're too far down. It's that way it goes. The steam train, so it's not there. We're on the south side. South side? Yeah, must be. But yeah, thought I'd go down, just check it out. But yeah, they've got a deal here. This is closed, this cafe. They've got like an afternoon tea deal. So hopefully the other one does, because I couldn't see it. So hopefully they have the deal as well, because I might have to get a cup of tea. But this is what we've got. So we got pan fried chicken breast, savoury tart of the day, salmon fish cakes, super green curry, salad, sandwiches, children's meals. There are all the prices there for you. If you want to take a look, pause it, be my guest. But yeah, I do like this station hall. It is darker than I would like, but then, you know, they've got to help the trains, you know, and preserve it a little bit longer. Yeah, let's go back to the Great Hall. So I want to see if we can get somehow close to tornado or something. But first, let's have a look at the real, the original Stephenson's rocket. I know I kind of mentioned it in text last time, but this is the real deal. The real deal, the number one. Because there's two replicas here, and then there's this. This is what Dovetail Games should bring out. Train Sim World, Stephenson's rocket. How cool would that be? The first, and then you think of Tornado we've just seen. It's kind of like one of the latest steam trains that have been built. This was the first. Oh, look at it. Magnificent, gorgeous. But anyway, back in the Great Hall. There's the Eurostar. Come on, replace the light bulb. I really hope they do the deal here. So just looking at everything that's here, it's amazing. It's a great place to go. It's the Mallard. Just having the ability to, you know, climb up an old bridge. I've got the wide angle on, that's why you can see my finger every now and again. Look at that. Back to normal again. We'll go underneath there again in a bit. I just want to admire the top of the trains, the top of the carriages, the top of the Bullet, top of the Eurostar. Don't usually see that, do you? It's usually the side and the front and the back, but never the top. So I thought we would have a look. Yeah, look at that from the top. That's great. Love it. Here's a replica of the rocket. I think they do have the T deal, so you know what? We might go for that. I think this is the closest we're going to get to this tornado. Look, we're in the north shed again, and that's it. That's the closest we can get, is to look out this little window and being able to see it there. If it starts moving, then what we'll do is we'll, you know, look at it going down there. But yeah, there's a person there. Oh, let me. Come on. Let me through. Love to see it. I just need one of those orange high-vis jackets. They'll probably go, yeah, sure. Try that. Yeah, look at it. It's so close. But yet so far. Just sitting here waiting for tornado, but yeah. There's an Azuma, quite a long one. Just waiting for this tornado to move so we can get a good shot of it going this way. But he ain't moved. So here comes across country. Heading up to Aberdeen. Here's the Azuma. I think this one's going to Edinburgh. She goes. Yeah, I don't think that's going to move now. He ain't moving. Oh, never mind. Check out the Twitter, because I sent this photo going, any chance I can get a closer look, and NRM replied with a zoomed in version of it going, here you go. Do you know what it's time for? It's time for a cup of tea. Let's go and get a cup of tea. Look at that Deltic. Yeah, let's go and grab a cup of tea and take it from there. So yeah, let's grab a cream tea. So we're going to choose a scone, get some brothers, and we get the tea made, and that's what we're going to go for. So yeah, we've got our scone, we've got our clotted cream, we've got our strawberry jam, and of course, Yorkshire tea, and it's a gold tea. And here we are, lovely view of the Mallard, Coronation, Eurostar. The only downside is it's paper plate and wooden knife, so hope we can cut it. It was a good one, but it's a bit hard. That's very hard, that is. They all look very hard. Let's hope it's all right. Very messy, I will admit, but with this sort of fork, I don't know. Should I have gone to Betty's instead? Or was it worth £5 to eat next to the Mallard? Let me know. What do you think would have been better? So what's your drink of choice for today's video? Is it a cup of tea? Let me know in the comments. That's too hot to drink. I will literally burn my tongue, burn my throat on that. Let's try and get a, come on, focus in on the sunset. I know this is lovely, but I want the sunset. It's looking nice. Well, I'm slowly drinking my tea. It's it's still pretty hot. I don't think I ever have it that hot even at home. So it's pretty hot. Oh, it's just not cleared this. Sorry. There we go. Oh, is that better? It's nice and calming. You know, they've closed the north shed now, so we can't get over there. That's it done. The station hall closed at 4 as well because there's that event that's happening. So literally the only place left is the Great Hall. So yeah, I'll finish my cup of tea. We'll look around a little bit longer, and then I've got to get back because my parking expires at 5, and I want to get out because I've got to come back to York early tomorrow morning. So I want to get out and try and figure out what to have for din-dins and edit this video. But no, hopefully you've enjoyed this so far. It's I don't want to be too samey, but I like having a chat with you guys, and hopefully you enjoy these videos too. If you may have noticed, the previous NRM video, friends of NRM asked for it to be on their website. So they're a charity that kind of raise money to help support different things here as well. So take a look at their website. I'm going to put a link in the description below. It's not sponsored, but I'm going to put it in the link below, just in case they want to use this video again. But yeah, it's worth having a look. But yeah, you got to come and visit NRM, National Railway Museum. So many really nice collectible items here. Mallard, just look at it. Oh, it's so good. But yeah, once I finish my cup of tea, we'll head over to HST and we'll do the turntable. I love going through the Shinkansen and the Bullet. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to go underneath this Great Western steam train, have a look underneath again. There's people under there, but we're going to be looking up, so it's okay. It's fine. Go. Here we go. Look at that. I think I did a wide angle last time, so it's just the normal one. Look at that. It's just amazing. Do you know what? I'm going to stop. Because look, there I am. Let's take that down and let's go. Try to take a couple of shots of that. There we go, that's better. Look at that. It's amazing. It's echoing around the whole Great Hall. How embarrassing. Oh. Anyway, let's go. But yeah, it's a gorgeous evening. There you go, let's focus in on that. Oh, it's getting so dark. Let me put my Mega Sim Lego character in my pocket so I don't lose him. But yeah, look at that. I do love the HST. Gorgeous, gorgeous train. I know they've got the steam trains here. I love this one as well. But just seeing this, it's an iconic train. So much history behind it. The progress of high-speed rail with this HST. And they're only just retiring them all. That's what's scary. But they're so modern still, in a way. You go 125 miles an hour. I know the newer ones like the 800s, yeah, they go up to it and they get up to speed quicker and all that rubbish. But you can't beat a HST. You can't beat it. Yeah. I think this was around before I was born. and a lot of you before you were born. And then people watching this years to come going, you know, this is kind of like what the steam trains are like. This is the old previous generation of travel. Scary to think. That's kind of what it's ended up going to be. It's a museum piece now. Yes, cross country, ScotRail, GWR, they still have their HSTs, but it is a museum piece. But yeah, this is a lovely 31. I do love it. But as we've always said in our videos, why come all the way here to the NRM and not visit Thomas the Tank? One ride is £1. You put your coin in, you got the buttons. You gotta go on it every time. Well, I don't, but you know, it'd be great to if I could. Now, I'm probably not going to go into the Shinkansen again. We do that a lot. We did it twice on the last video. So no, we're not going to go on it this time. As in, again, been on it once. Won't do it again. But yeah, I've got... Come on. Yeah, I've got just under 40 minutes to get back to the car. It's the other side of York Centre, so I'm gonna have one last look at the coronation, one last look at Mallard, and then we'll end the video there. So there's the it's just so good, so shiny, so shiny. But yeah, I think that will do it for us today, everyone. Sorry, Mallard. But no, thank you so much for joining us on today's video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Lets me know that you care. Thank you for watching. Check that Friends of NRM link in the description below. And if they want to use this video again, then yeah, go for it. We'll look at one last look at the Eurostar. Should replace that bulb. Subscribe if you haven't already. Social media links are in the description below as well. And look at that. These are being refurbed and coming back out, so they should be out next year. So I've just read whilst I was eating my scone. But they're coming back. We are getting them back. But no, thank you very much, everyone. We'll see you soon. This is Mega Sim, out of here. See you later, guys. Bye.